Welcome to Buddha Beyond Science and Religion Episode 2, Buddha's Architecture of Life. In this episode, we will try to achieve two things. One, we will build a robot together. Not a simple robot, but a sentient robot that functions and thinks and behaves exactly like us. The other thing we will try to achieve is, we will see ourselves not as an identity or a self, but rather a function of processes that are in operation. We will see ourselves nothing different from a robot that we just built. Let's begin this experiment together. In order to build a good robot, we need to put together a list of high-quality hardware devices and components so that the robot can function just like us. We'll start with iron rods and frames to give the robot the structure, just like our bones and flesh. We will be installing high-quality camera for the eyes, microphone for the ears, speaker for the mouth, and sensors for the nose, tongue, and other parts of the body. We will install a CPU to act like a brain. We will also install other necessary devices and components that acts similar to how our internal organ functions. We will connect them with a power cable. This will function in a similar way to how our blood vessel reaches all our internal organs and supply necessary energy for it to function. We will also install a LAN cable or a fiber optic cable for the organs to communicate with the base operating system to make sure that the robot is functioning in its proper manner. At this stage, we have all the necessary equipments assembled and connected, ready to power on. Similar to us, our internal organs and body parts and the sensory objects from eyes, ears, nose, and other body parts are connected through blood vessels and nervous systems, and this is what makes us function as a human. We can now see that our body parts are almost the same as the robots. Both are ready to function in its most efficient way. What we refer to ourselves as body parts and organs, the robot's devices and components as hardware, in Buddha's spoken language, he calls it Rūpa, or the first component of his architecture of life. The robot is finally ready. We've turned it on. We've checked all the components, the cameras, the sensors, the microphones. They all seem to have power, and they seem to be working properly. The camera is capturing light and forwarding data to the CPU. The microphone is picking up sounds. All the sensors are sending data to the CPU simultaneously. But the robot is still idle. It's not doing anything. We are here and the robot is sitting idle over there. Are we missing something? What are we missing? Oh yes, we don't have the software. We have the data, but we don't have the correct application to properly control the robot to function. We are going to use Buddha's reverse-engineered process of human existence as framework, and we are going to be installing 4 different kinds of software that functions together that will be able to control the robot. Let's do it together.